Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to cancel a scheduled payment on your Discover credit card. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for credit cards. Click on your Discover credit card. Now you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Payments. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for pending payments. Click on Pending Payments. Now you will see a section for your pending payments. Click on the Cancel button at the right side of the pending payment you want to cancel. After that, you will see the details of the pending payment you want to cancel. To continue, click on the Cancel Payment tab at the bottom. And now you will see a message saying that this payment has been successfully canceled. That's how you cancel a scheduled payment on your Discover credit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.